Albert Einstein said, "Don't be shy for things." Asking questions. Einstein once said, "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." He believed that asking questions was essential to learning and understanding the world around us. Making mistakes. Einstein acknowledged that mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. He famously said, "A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new." Thinking outside the box. Einstein believed that creativity was essential to scientific discovery. He encouraged people to think beyond conventional wisdom and approach problems with an open mind. Taking action. Einstein believed that it wasn't enough to simply think about ideas, but that action was necessary to make progress. He once said, "Learn from yesterday, live for today. Hope for tomorrow." The important thing is not to stop questioning,